everyone, you're welcome back. Okay guys, so in case you are new, you're welcome back. If you are a subscriber, thank you for always being here. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you a remedy that any doctor will be shocked that this actually helps so much in getting rid of all of your dark spots and age spots. Okay, this is actually going to be very amazing and you are going to be loving it. Yeah, it is actually very simple. Okay, and trust me. Okay, so the thing is that when you're having breakout on your face, one of the things that you shouldn't always do is to touch your face. Don't always touch your face and all of that, because all of the sweat, heat, and all of the bacteria, that on your hands is going to be transferred to your face, and you don't need that. Okay, so this is actually going to help you a whole lot. When you're consistent and give it a little time, you're gonna see the miracle. Okay, so let me take you right into the video. Don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe here, and share the video also. Let's go. Guys, we're going to be needing rice powder. Okay guys, so most of you have actually been asking me how I get my rice powder. Now what you do is that you take some rice from your kitchen and then you put it into a very strong blender and then you blend it. Now why I say you put it into a strong blender is because rice is actually very strong to blend. Yeah, so it has to you have to use a strong blender. So that's how I get my rice powder. Now for you to get rid of all of those dark spots, guys, you'll be needing to use rice. Now because rice contains a lightening property which helps to lighten up the skin, and it therefore helps to exfoliate and remove pigmentation. So what we're going to do is that we're going to be putting in about 2 tablespoons of rice. It depending on how much you want your the quantity of your mixture to be, you can put 1 or even half. Okay guys, so we're going to be needing potato. Now the starch in this potato and the potato juice itself helps so much in removing dark. Okay guys, so what we're going to do is that we're going to be peeling it. I have to cut it into tiny pieces so you can assist our blender to blend it. I'll grab a blender and then pack it into it. So however you want to blend your potato, you can blend it, guys. Okay, that is actually optional. This is it, blended potato. There are 2 ways in which you can actually get your potato ready, which you can grate it to get the juice, or you can blend it to get all of the full benefits, which is what I did now. This is how it is. Okay, so I'm going to be putting it into the bowl. Give it a stir, and what is going to happen is that it's going to get thick, and that is fine, but it shouldn't be too thick. But since it's this thick, we're going to be diluting it. Okay guys, so the next ingredient that is very needed for this is sugar. Now, because of the smaller granite particles, it is needed to get rid of dark spots, pigmentation, and age spots. It also helps to glow the skin. Yeah, so we're going to be putting in about 2 tablespoons of that, and then would have to mix, but not too much, so that the particles of the sugar can still remain inside the treatment, so we can use it in scrubbing the skin with. And then also we're going to be making use of cucumber. Now this is a great remedy that helps to glow up the skin, and it also helps to plump up the skin. Yeah, so what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to be cutting just a little piece of the cucumber, juice of this cucumber. I'm going to be grating it so I can extract the juice out. Although even if I blend it, it's still going to be able to get the juice, which is actually going to be even more, but I just want to blend it. I just want to create it. Okay, so if you want, you can actually decide to create yours. After that, then I'll have to sieve it out and get the juice out. So I'll be pressing it this way to sieve it out. And then extract the juice, since we basically need the juice for this dark spot remedy. Alright, so this is the juice that we got. I'm going to be keeping it aside first, and then we're going to be needing aloe vera. Now aloe vera is a great remedy for this ingredient, guys, because it helps so much for the skin problems. So I'll be cutting just a little piece of aloe vera, and then I'll have to prepare it. Okay, so to get the juice out, I would love to actually create it, and I'll have to be doing it in a circular motion. Yeah, so I can get the juice out. Since I don't have much of the aloe vera, I just have a little quantity of a little piece of this, and it's going to give me just a little quantity of juice, so I wouldn't want to waste any. I'll mix some. Okay, so this is my aloe vera, and this is how it is, still slimy. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to be putting in the aloe vera first into the mix, and then I'll stir it. Now why I'm putting the aloe vera first is because of the fact that it's slimy. Just to cut the sliminess, that's why I'm actually putting it first, and then blending it, mixing it really good. And now the sliminess I've actually cut, and then I'll have to be putting in my cucumber juice. Okay, now this is actually a very good mix and a very good remedy for your dark spots. If you're actually experiencing any problems with dark spots, make this and put it in your refrigerator for at least 1 to 9 days, 7 days to 9 days. Okay, it's not gonna go bad. And then use it to scrub your face. Okay, now let me go show you how this works. So trying this dark spots treatment is one thing you shouldn't miss. Try it out and you're gonna love it. Yeah, so what I do is that I love to put my ingredients into the fridge now, so that when I want to apply it, it's going to be, it's going to be very chilled on my skin, because it's actually a natural remedy. So after that, you can dab your face with water, which I haven't dabbed my face. Now the reason why you should dab your face with water is so that your face can be soft before you even apply this. Yeah, so that immediately you apply this, you can actually start scrubbing. Yeah, okay. If you do not dab your face with water, your face is going to still stay strong, and then it's going to take a little time. Okay, so after that, you spread this ingredient onto all of your face, or you can actually apply it on those places in which you have dark spots. Like as you can see, I do not have like dark spots right now. You should know my skin when I was pregnant, like dark spots was everywhere. Do you know how I got rid of it? This is one of the ingredients that I use to get rid of it. Okay, so rub it all over, and then you would be scrubbing. You can see I didn't actually rub it all over my face. I want to scrub first because of the particles of the of the sugar in it. It's gonna enable you to scrub your face and scrub out the dark spots. Okay, one thing is that dark spot does not actually just go like that on your face. It takes a little time because it fades, so it takes a little time for it to fade up. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so the more you scrub, the more it actually helps you to lighten up the dark spot and fade it up, so that you would be happy that at least what you've actually applied on your skin is actually working. Yeah, so you notice that it's going to be fading up your dark spot little by little as you scrub along. Yeah. Okay, so basically that's it. When you finish scrubbing, you then wait for a little while, and then you go wash it off. Wash it off with any water, warm water, cold water, any water, it doesn't matter. What matters is that it needs to take away all of the dark spots, and it's going to be fading it up little by little. Okay, so then you go wash it off, and then you repeat this treatment as often as you can. If you can do that every day, very fine. This treatment, you can store it in your fridge. It's not gonna go bad. Okay guys, so that's it. You are gonna be freaking shocked when you try this. Okay, so go try this out and give it a little time. Scrub your face with it, and rinse it just like the way I've instructed. You're gonna be loving it because it's actually very amazing, and it works really well. Okay, so that's it guys. If you do enjoy watching this whole video, give me a like, subscribe here, and turn on your post notification, and also share the video, and I'll come your way again. Bye guys, and stay beautiful.